Hi friends, we're back. It's Christy and
Janine
from Children Are Creative. And today we're here to show you animal claws. Full body, plush puppets with sound chips built right into the lip of the animal. You can work it from the outside or the inside. That's our frog. And this is our pig. These guys are so adorable and very plush. Children can play with them and do puppet shows, or they can actually take them to bed and cuddle up at night with them. Adorable. That's our Bengal tiger. In addition, we have the monkey and the horse, the cow, the elephant, the pig, and the lion. Manufacturer's list price on these puppets, $24.99. Here at Children Are Creative, they're $19.99. We ship worldwide. We're happy to answer any of your questions at area code 201-820-4769. Until next time, it's Christy and
Janine
of Children Are Creative. Have a great day.